Hello everyone, this is Anita White with Love Your Art, and yes, we're back with you with another video and we're ready to get started. As you can see, we have laid down a 3/4 canvas split, and we have the Mars Black by Blickrylic. We also have this custom made gray, which is the Amsterdam Titanium White and Blickrylic Mars Black. And we're going to use some amazing colors today to hopefully give us an awesome design. We have a 12 by 24 inch canvas, and we're torching, looking for any uninvited guests. That would be anything that could interfere with the less than flawless foundation. I am excited because we're going to be using some vibrant colors to bring about hopefully an awesome design. Joining us today, we have my favorite Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet. It's just one of my many favorites, but certainly a favorite. Artist Loft Metallic Silver. Our Liquitex Basics Cadmium Yellow Deep Hue. The Arteza Pearl Lilac, along with the Golden Quinacridone Magenta and Artist Loft Old Gold. So, to begin with, I'm going to start with a design that we can hopefully build on as we go. I'm going to begin with our Permanent Blue Violet. I think I'll just start with a line here, comes along this line here, and gives us a breakout there. And let's do a breakout here. All right, one here. And let's thicken this up a little more since we got dark colors here. All right, super. Now we're coming along with this metallic silver, which is so beautiful. Squeeze that out, good. Looks like we've got some gook inside our spout here. We'll take that off. We'll tap out these other little strings. And next to that, we're going to bring this beautiful yellow in. Just super wonderful. With that, we have a lilac on top of the yellow. That's pretty cool. And then we have this awesome Quinacridone Magenta, which is a fabulous color. And the Artist Loft Old Gold on top. We want to make certain that we can see that Permanent Blue Violet, which we started with. So we're going to bring some back on top and wrap back around with that. Right? Looking at what we have here, looks super pretty. I'm excited to see what this brings us. And see what we can do to hopefully add some excitement to this canvas. We're going to start with our blow dryer on low. I may build up to high, just depends on how well things are going. Let's begin here where we start. Oh, whoa, whoa, look at that. Oh my goodness. Incredible. Incredible. Super pretty. I love it. Love, love, love it. I'll tap that out a little bit. There. The cells are just going crazy. Unbelievable. It's so pretty. I love that we have the black 3/4 layout split with gray, and this is just evolved all over it. Well, torching time. Just checking to ensure we have covered everything, and the yellow is just standing up and speaking out loud and clear, and the cells all the way around this is just coming out so vibrantly. I am enjoying this color palette a lot. Love it. There's tons of cells with lacing. They're small, they're not overpowering, and they give this color really a lot to show in terms of everything that's here. You can see all the richness of the cells and the colors that we've used. We're using this little Pana brand swipe stick. It's a makeup stick that I use to wipe around because it does such a great job, and they're reusable. Buy them from Amazon for $50 to a pack for about $5. Super bargain. Okay, and I definitely am not an affiliate of Amazon or Pana brand. I'm just super excited about sharing something that works. And we are happy to be able to bring that to you, and anything that we feel will be a benefit, don't mind sharing. All right, guys, this is doing a marvelous job, exceeding expectation, we might add. I probably, if I did anything, I would probably open this up a little bit, but I'm not going to because this stands out by itself with the black, with the open negative space all the way around, and then it comes in and you have the negative space of the gray, just a tip of it here on the edge of black. But this is unbelievably beautiful. This Quinacridone Magenta looks kind of like a pomegranate color because it's just, the cells are just really evolving as we speak. And I'm super proud because the yellow is just like a standalone yellow, especially on top of the black and the gray. Let's bring you in for a close-up so you can see, because I think this is super amazing. I'm very pleased. All right, everyone, here we have our 12 by 24 inch Dutch pour on a black and gray split, 3/4 split base. I am super, super excited to share this with you because it's outstanding. Look at the lacing here. It's just incredible. Unbelievable. The colors are so amazing. The richness of the cells are just happening with all of the iridescent shimmer and shine right on top. The yellow, the Quinacridone, the permanent blue violet, the old gold, all of these colors have just really put themselves in the limelight on top of the black and gray split here, giving it such a uniqueness that it's just speaking out loud and clear. I'm so pleased with this. So, I guess surprised. When something exceeds your expectation, it kind of gives you that sense of wow. And that's what I'm feeling right now, a sense of wow. Oh my gosh, look what happened here. The cells and the lacing all here. Incredible color, beautiful, beautiful shimmer and shine. The petal-like effect is outlined and everything looks just beautiful. Just beautiful. I hope you like it. I'm loving it. And as you know, we always want to say, like and subscribe and give us your feedback. We certainly appreciate hearing from you each and every time. And definitely want you to know we appreciate your support. Thank you for your words of encouragement. Thank you for being such a consistent and faithful follower. Appreciate all of you who have subscribed. If you haven't done so, go ahead and like and subscribe. Be a part of this amazing art journey with us. Don't just come in to peek and run away, but come in and be a part of what we're doing. Help us to grow and be successful and help build our channel. With your support, we can do it. Thank you so much for joining us. We always appreciate you being here. Until next time, keep loving your art, guys. We'll see you again on the next video upload. Bye now.